every sunny morning in March, April, May, June, the painted turtles assemble at the pond in the North Burial Ground. The log you see is literally the only sunny place in the whole pond where the turtles can get out of the water and warm themselves up. Watching turtles sit on a log in the morning sunning is like watching paint dry, so I threw it into fast forward. Please excuse the jerkiness, but fast forward does that, and then when you have as unsteady a hand as I, everything's kind of jerky. It always amazes me how often turtles trying to get up onto the log fall back into the water.